Hello, in this presentation, I am going to explain how I would teach the stress to my students. So the way I would teach is actually by creating a presentation just like this one. I like not using too much text. So first of all, we have here that stress is one of several suprasegmental features of pronunciation, and it refers to the prominence or emphasis in a syllable. So this specific syllable in a word can be longer, louder, higher pitched, or more clearly articulated than the other ones. So here we have some examples like biography, simplify, and biology. So I like to use these visual aids because I think they are great to really visualize what stress means. And here we also have that stress deals with loudness, vowel length, and vowel quality. And also that the syllables that do not carry the stress are called the unstressed syllables. Then we have some rules of stress. So I have put here 3 rules. We have the stress on 2-syllable words, which usually goes on the first syllable. So here we have some examples also like carrot, haircut, and parrot. The second rule is that stress on 3-syllable words. So the words that have the suffixes IC and ICAL are always unstressed, like basic and medical. So the suffixes don't carry the stress. And also we have another example with the suffixes tion and IT, which are added. The stress goes automatically to the syllables immediately preceding the suffix. So here we have some examples, and the way I would teach this is also by asking my students to think about some examples on each rule. Then I have here a video. I think I cannot put it because of the time, but the video explains the rules and gives a lot of examples also. Then we have the levels of stress, the strong or primary, and the weak or unstressed. So here we have another words to practice the different level of stress. I try to make it really simple, not to be confusing. And I have thought about a task. So 2 tasks. One is to write 2 sentences, including a 2-word syllable. A 2-syllable word from the video. One as a verb and one as a noun, because the rule that the video was talking about is what happens with these words that are nouns but are also verbs, like for example, present and present. So there is a rule there, and the task is to write 2 sentences using the word, and then read it for the rest of the class and change the pronunciation, the stress. And here we have another activity of word stress. So we have a lot of words, and we have to place the words if they have the stress on the first syllable or the second syllable. So to do this exercise, you actually have to look again on all of the rules that we learned on the lesson. And that is it because of the time. Thank you very much.